Hi guys, welcome back to Ivy Space. So today I will be taking you guys to Canadian Tire with me. So let's go in and see what they have at Canadian Tire. So my main reason that I came here was because I wanted two more line that I got for my stair railing last year, but it was not enough. So I wanted to come in here to see if they have any Christmas decor up already, and they didn't really have much of the Christmas decor up, but they did let me know that in a few days some will be up. So as you can see, some of the rack were empty, but look at this beautiful ornament that they have up already. They were really pretty. So they didn't really have much yet at Canadian Tire when it comes to.
So you said in 2 days
Christmas
I should come back
decor.
in 2 days?
So I just went ahead to just walk around at Canadian Tire, look at some of the stuff that was on sale. They have vacuum on sale. They have a lot of stuff on sale. So for me, I usually go to the pot section at Canadian Tire. I'm really obsessed with this area when I come to Canadian Tire because I feel like they really have good pots at Canadian Tire. So I usually buy most of my pot, let's just say 99.9% of my pots are from Canadian Tire. So yeah, as I walk in there, they had a lot of sales. I wasn't planning to get anything, but I still end up buying this gorgeous red pot. It was on sale for $69 from $359 to $69. I couldn't just walk by. I was like, nope, that is too good to be true not to buy this kind of pot. So at first I asked the people working there if they still have more, because when I checked they didn't have. So she's like, yep. So they got two more left, so I end up picking it up. And when I was even paying for it, the lady that was at the cashier was like, wow, that is a very good buy. And I was like, yep, $70 for 10 pots, why not? And it's also the pots were non-stick pots, and I love the color. I love the color of the pot. I do have some red pots, but this one I just had to buy it because the price was just too good to be true. So I just had to pick it up. Look at how gorgeous the color is, especially the Christmas is almost here. I can use this for my Christmas time to cook, my Christmas dinner, or just cook in general. I just love pots. Like, I tend to buy a lot of pots because I don't know, there's something about pot that just like brand new pot that just make me happy. I don't know how to explain it. I have a lot of pots. Look at the color of this pot, guys. Look at how gorgeous this pot is. These pots are ceramic pot, non-stick ceramic pot, and there are 10 pieces. The way they count pot here, they count the lids as well. So it's 5 lids and 5 pots, so it's like 10. So yeah, that is how the pots look at how gorgeous. I hope you guys love this video. Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not subscribed yet, and also don't forget to push the notification bell so that you get the notification whenever I upload a video. I hope you guys enjoyed this shopping with me, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.